This content is made for adult collectors. It's adult collectibles. It's not made for kids. สวัสดีครับ What's up guys? Welcome to Joky Jiggy channel by HereHem. So this channel we are going to review movie comic collections. So make sure you subscribe and put notification bell so you won't miss the new episode. If you want to buy some figure, you can check that out in the link below. 360 review for you guys. Love. So here we have White Knight Joker. The Joker actually. So here 360 review for you guys. He's rocking on guitar. So I'm gonna take you to the White Knight the Joker story. I mean, he's a little bit of his bio, okay? So here we have the artwork of White Knight Joker, and he has the signature that the left eye he has green and the right eye he has purple color. So, and this storyline is alternate universe, not really the main universe, and this Joker is, you know, crazy and calm and kind of a police side. So some point he has split personality. He has the Joker inside him, and he takes the pills to control the Joker inside him. And some point he joined the Jim Gordon, the police station, to fight crime, which is pretty awesome story. And he also joined the Batman, and he also riding the Batmobile with Batman, believe it or not. That's how they may think that what if Joker joined Batman fighting crime? Yeah, that is White Knight story. So here, the figure from the web, I already got him out of the package, actually. So I'm going to show you the package for a moment. So here I really like the Joker that he burned the money. And the other stuff that I like the Joker, that he upside down like so, but he's still laughing. So no, I mean no fear about obstacle. So here the Dark Knight movie 2008. So 9 out of 10 score for the movie. I really like this one. And also Joker 2019. So 8.5 out of 10, which is pretty awesome score. So that is his story. So let's go to the gimmick. And here we have the White Knight Joker. So I'm turn my camera back on. And here I'm going to show you the package. So McFarlane Toy, DC Multiverse, the Joker, White Knight storyline, here and here, side. So I don't really go to the package detail that much because I already separate the unbox video and the detail review video. So this one is detail review video. And yeah, gonna turn the camera back on, and here the cool gimmick I want to point that out for you guys. So let's take a closer look. And here, look at the face sculpt. So he has a pretty awesome face sculpt, you know, crazy face sculpt. So you can see green at the right eyes and purple at the left eye, like so. And here's the his costume detail, looking so awesome. The paint application, cam, crisp and clean. The sculpt detail is very awesome. So I appreciate that. Yeah. So I'm gonna take the guitar out of him for a moment so you guys can see when he's not holding the guitar. So I want to point the gimmick that he has a pretty cool gimmick on here. I'm not gonna go to all the full articulation review because I think I want to point some very cool gimmick, cool articulation. Okay, the first one that I want to show you here, so he can split on ridiculous amount. So he has a pretty range of motion, this guy, and of course he has some Japanese import articulation at the wrist, at the ankle, and yeah, toe articulation right there. But I have gripes, so sorry about that. The fly got in my mouth. So here he cannot really look up that almost at all, you know. He can look down a little bit, so that is my gripe about the gimmick. So let's go to the positive gimmick again. So here he can crunch pretty ridiculous amount of crunch, like so. Even he has the waist cover his engineer inside, engineer gear, a figure engineer inside. So he has the waist cover, but he can crunch that pretty far. And he also crunch back ridiculous amount right there. You can see here he can do laughing and, you know, standing in the rain and laughing pose. He is super poseable, guys. So that's Jack Napier Joker White Knight storyline, and here right there. So let's go to the cool gimmick that I want to point it out for you guys. I have the actually the, how can I say, superposable action that I prepare for you guys. So here I'm gonna show you the first one is super, oh sorry, not super, the Thai traditional art over here, right guys? Thai traditional art. If you wonder what it is, you can Google Ramayana Thai traditional art. So you can, yeah, you will be found something. You can find something on Google. So next up, we have superposable White Knight Joker superhero landing pose. So what do you think, guys? You can let me know in the comment section below. Please let me know. And next up, so Run for Your Life, White Knight the Joker, Jack Napier Joker. So there. And next up, superposable Joker White Knight flying pose, like so. He has the laser effect, the fire effect that came out from his feet. And here, White Knight Joker rocking on the guitar. So what do you think, guys? Which action pose you like it most? You can please let me know in the comment section below. All right, guys, let's go to the next topic. So art of compare. So here we have Emma Frost, custom by HereHem, like here. Marvel Legend female figure. So Emma Frost, looking awesome already with the Moon Knight cape, Moon Knight 2020. And here we have Batman Who Laughs, McFarlane Toys, DC Multiverse, which is one of the my favorite figure of all time. And let's swap him to the Arkham Asylum Joker video game. So you can see the scale, how high he is compared to Jack Napier Joker right there. And yeah, Arkham Asylum Joker. So that's art of compare. I want to point some gimmick that I want to show you actually. So I'm gonna switch my display over here. So actually we have the accessory interchangeable head that came from the package. So looking awesome. He has green at the right eye and purple at the left eye. And also the other one that came with him, so is a pretty long gun, long pistol, right? That's how you call a pistol, long pistol, right there. So that's his gimmick. And I saw that there's some of our community that do the head swap between Jack Napier Joker and Arkham Asylum Joker. I'm gonna try it for now. So just pop the head off, so you get the Jack Napier head sculpt. So take a closer look there, and here I'm gonna swap the head to Arkham Asylum Joker. So, but this one, a little bit of mine to got it out actually. And here, Jack Napier Joker on the Arkham Asylum Joker. So what do you think, guys? Awesome? Yeah, I think he looking awesome with the actual Joker costume. You know, the purple suit with the yellow suit, like so, and he is pretty awesome. So practical that he can, use this body. So that's my review, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna put Arkham Asylum body Joker with the Jack Napier Joker, like so, and in front of the camera, and so you can see his face laughing at at you. And let's go to the rating. So what do you think, guys, about this Jack Napier Joker DC Multiverse McFarlane Toys? I think he has a pretty range of motion. He has a pretty cool gimmick that can play with the other McFarlane toys, and he has a pretty nice paint job. So overall, awesome. So awesome. I'm gonna give him how can I cut some score? Yeah, he has some gripe. Actually, he cannot really look up, so due to the head, and he can barely look down. So I'm gonna cut 1 point score. Just give him 9 out of 10. Guys, all right, what do you think, guys? The rating about him, you can let me know in the comment section. And also subscribe and put notification bell so we can meet each other in a new episode that will come real soon. If you want to buy some figure, you can check that out in the link below. All right, this episode going to the end, and here him signing off for now. Love everyone who came to watch. สวัสดีครับ